China has once again amazed the world by successfully testing wireless electricity transmission from space to Earth. Recently, Chinese scientists successfully tested a technology that could one day transform space into a giant wireless power station. This technology is capable of delivering electricity to multiple moving targets simultaneously. China Daily, the research project, known as Sanjiang, was led by Duan Baoyan, a professor at Xidian University and a member of the Chinese Academy of Engineering. The research team reported that they successfully transmitted 180 watts of power simultaneously to multiple moving targets over a distance of more than 100 meters. This means that moving objects such as drones or satellites could potentially receive electricity wirelessly without the need for physical cables. Even more impressively, in one experiment, a drone traveling at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour consistently received 143 watts of power from a distance of 30 meters. In this technology, solar energy is first converted into electricity. The electricity is then converted into microwaves and transmitted over long distances. Finally, a receiving device converts the microwaves back into DC electricity, turning them into usable power. In other words, electricity can be transmitted without any wires.
According to Chinese scientists, if a wireless charging network can be established in space, satellites will be able to recharge while remaining in orbit. As a result, future spacecraft and satellite operations will become more efficient and longer lasting. In 2014, the research team proposed a special design called Omega. It was developed to collect energy by concentrating sunlight. Later, in 2022, the team successfully completed its first full-scale ground-based test. However, the latest version, called Distributed Omega, is even more advanced. It uses modular technology, allowing individual components to be assembled or replaced in space like building blocks. The new tests also showed significant improvements in the system's efficiency. DC power conversion and transmission efficiency increased to 20.8%, up from 15.5% previously. In addition, beam reception efficiency reached 80%, ensuring that microwave energy is delivered accurately to its target. China has announced that real-world tests of the technology will be conducted in low Earth orbit between 2026 and 2030. By 2030, the country aims to develop a megawatt-scale system. By 2050, it plans to build a commercial gigawatt-scale space solar power station. As a result, the dream of transmitting electricity directly from space to Earth is no longer just science fiction, but is steadily moving toward reality.